Dingas Bingas. Welcome, my dazzling Dingas Bingas family. Get ready for a joyride through the lap of luxury and tech magic. But hey, before we dive in, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. You won't want to miss a single giggle-worthy gadget. Let's dive into the glitz and glam, shall we? First up, folks, brace yourselves for the marvel in your hands, the Valve Steam Deck. This little buddy is like the Swiss Army knife of gaming, but, you know, way cooler. Let's break it down, shall we? Check out these control surfaces. It's like holding the future in your hands. The analog sticks, buttons, touchpads, it's a symphony of gaming goodness. And don't worry, your thumbs won't throw any unwanted surprises. Behold the screen, not the biggest, but hey, it gets the job done. Under the hood, it's a gaming wizard. A custom AMD processor, 16 gigabytes of RAM, and storage options that'll make your head spin. Gaming on this thing is like riding a unicorn through pixelated rainbows. Want to take it to the big screen? No problemo. Connect this bad boy to your TV or monitor and let the gaming extravaganza unfold. It's like having your own portable arcade. So there you have it, the Valve Steam Deck, a gaming revolution in your hands. But remember, it's not just a device, it's a ticket to a gaming utopia. Hey, water warriors, ready for a soaking experience like never before? Introducing Spyra 3, the apex predator of water blasters. This is no child's play, it's a water symphony. Spyra 3 boasts game-changing features. Open mode unleashes a torrent of full auto mayhem. Tournament mode, a precision dance of water bullets, but the pièce de résistance, burst mode, 3-round bursts, tactical soaking at its finest. With a PSI rating of 34.8, Spyra 3 means serious business. Grip it, lock and load. The solenoid technology delivers a blast rate between 54.5 and 300 per minute. This is not just a water blaster, it's a water revolution. Get ready to make a splash with Spyra 3. Stay soaked, my friends. Speaking of staying soaked, let's dive into the H2O Audio Sonar Pro. Bone conduction headphones that are swim-ready. These underwater maestros are not just water-resistant, they're a symphony beneath the waves. With an IPX8 rating and 8 GB of memory, they're a perfect pool party companion. But here's the twist. Bluetooth underwater is a no-go. Solution? Playlist plus technology. Load your favorite tunes directly onto the headphones and you're ready to make waves. The controls are at your fingertips, literally. Big and easy to use, they're your underwater orchestra conductor. Yes, the music and spoken word are crisp and clear underwater. Not AirPods Pro level, but hey, these headphones are making sound waves through your skull. And if you're not a fan of water in your ears, fear not. The Sonar Pro kit comes with earplugs for added comfort. Grab these aquatic marvels and turn your swimming sessions into a concert. Make a splash with the H2O Audio Sonar Pro. Your underwater soundtrack awaits. Strap in, stargazers. Time to uncover the secrets of the cosmos with the unistellar eQuinox 2. The telescope that's not just an upgrade, it's a cosmic revolution. Imagine a telescope so sleek, it's practically a work of art against the night sky. The eQuinox 2 is not just a telescope, it's a high-tech marvel armed with 6.2 megapixels for images so crisp, they'll give you an interstellar eyegasm. One button, endless possibilities. Connect it to the Unistellar app and you're the captain of your celestial ship. It's like having NASA in your pocket, guiding you through the stars with ease. And the performance? Faster than a shooting star. Quick views, silent operation, and a built-in superhero mode that fights off light pollution. Considering a telescope upgrade? Look no further. The eQuinox 2 is your ticket to a VIP tour of the cosmos. Don't be the one left on Earth when the stars are calling. Grab the eQuinox 2 and let the intergalactic adventures begin. Warp speed, engage. Rev up your excitement, speed demons. ProDrive brings you the racing simulator dreams are made of. Crafted by the legendary minds behind Subaru's victorious rally cars, this custom marvel is more than a simulator. It's a high-speed masterpiece. With a carbon fiber tub and a design that screams victory lap, ProDrive Simulator is a work of art. Packed with a 12GB GeForce RTX graphics card, SimCube steering motor, and a precision wheel, it's a thrill ride without the helmet hair. Sure, it's a hefty $46,000, but hey, can you put a price on feeling like a racing champion? ProDrive doesn't just build cars, they build legends. Buckle up, hit the virtual track, and let the racing legacy continue. Alright, chess wizards, brace yourselves for a game changer. Behold the app prototype of the century. Play chess online with pals, challenge the AI, and hone your skills with features that'll blow your mind. The pieces? Pure magic. Magnets, sensors, LED lights. It's chess meets sci-fi. But wait, there's more. A robotic touch that makes the chessboard groove to its own moves. Picture this. You pick up a piece, LEDs light up with strategic brilliance, and the board dances with its own move. It's like the chessboard has a mind of its own. The future of chess is here, and it's so slick, even the chess pieces are jealous. Stay tuned, because this is just the beginning of the chess revolution. Alrighty then, Bang & Olufsen just unleashed the BeoSound Emerge, and let me tell you, it's not your ordinary speaker. It's practically a sonic ninja. Shaped like a slick wedge, this bad boy's got the looks, and boy does it know how to dance with sound. Slim, sleek, and packing a punch, it's like the James Bond of speakers, and it's not just a pretty face, it's got brains too. With touch controls, voice commands, and room compensation, it's the Einstein of audio. So if you want your music to sound as cool as you look, the BeoSound Emerge is your VIP backstage pass to audio awesomeness. Sleep aficionados, listen up, I've uncovered the magic wand for your sleep game. 8 Sleep's Pod 3. Yes, it's a bit of a splurge at $2,000, but hey, good sleep is priceless, right? This isn't just a mattress topper, it's a temperature-controlling wizard with an active grid that'll have you snoozing like a champ. Imagine this, personalized sleep climate on each side of the bed. Setting it up may seem like a science experiment, but it's surprisingly a breeze. 20 minutes. Tops. I've road-tested this dream machine, and let me tell you, hotel beds just don't cut it anymore. Here's the catch. The $19 a month 8+ Pro subscription for autopilot and sleep insights. A tad steep, but if you're serious about your Z's, it might be your secret weapon. Ready to revolutionize your sleep? Dive into the Pod 3 cover. Catch those Z's, champs. Let's rev up the excitement for the Brompton C-Line, the quintessential folding bike, an icon in the world of two-wheelers. Handmade and quality assured in London since '75, this bad boy is a labour of love. Compact, secure, and folding faster than a magician pulling a rabbit out of a hat. It's your go-to ride for space-saving convenience. From its durable steel frame to puncture-resistant tyres, ingenious folding pedal, and a carrier block for all your goodies. This bike is the epitome of practicality with a touch of British charm, and guess what? It's not just a practical dream, it's a joy to ride. So, gear up for the Brompton C-Line, the bike that turns commuting into a daily adventure. It's not just a ride, it's a lifestyle. Now buckle up for the ASUS ROG Zephyrus Duo 16, the James Bond of laptops with a license to thrill. Picture this, a laptop so powerful it scoffs at AAA games and creative apps, boasting a Ryzen 9, 32 gigs of DDR5 RAM, and an NVIDIA RTX 3080 Ti, shaken, not stirred. But wait, there's more. Depending on your whims, you can pimp it out to an AMD Ryzen 9 7945HX, 64 gigs of the good stuff, 12GB NVIDIA RTX 4080, and 2 whopping 4TB SSD PCIe 4 storage, the main display. It's like a visual symphony with colours so rich they put Monet to shame. Sure, the trackpad's petite, and yes, the ticket to this tech extravaganza starts at a cool $3,700. But my friends, you're not buying a laptop, you're investing in a masterpiece, a gadget that's as luxurious as sipping Dom Perignon in a tech wonderland. The ASUS ROG Zephyrus Duo 16, where performance meets opulence and your tech dreams do come true. That's a wrap for this episode. If you had a blast on this tech roller coaster, hit that like button, subscribe for more thrill rides, and drop a comment below on the next tech adventure you want us to explore. In the world of gadgets, your suggestions drive the excitement. Catch you on the flip side.